everyone! Today, we will be going to Bacara to interview a senior citizen about the future.
Let's hear what the senior citizen thinks about the future will be.
Hello ma'am, good evening. I would like to interview about future. Before that, may I know your name and age?
I'm Consolacion Odette Andaya. I'm 68 years old.
My first question, what do you think the world will look like in 2050?
The world in 2050, I think it becomes worse when it comes to economic. Especially nowadays, the youth are not doing their responsibility just to maintain the good preservation of the trees. Nowadays, youth are not doing their responsibility to help the government. Especially, they are not like before. That the youth before are very responsible when it comes to the future.
Thank you. My next question is, what are you most excited or worried about in the future?
About in the future? I think the same question, it is related with the first question. Because what I am worried now, as of now, is the economic crisis. Especially now, the youth or the teenagers are not doing their part. Kasi sabi nila, kabataan ng pag-asa ng bayan. Kapag hindi ginagawa ng kabataan ang responsibilidad nila para sa kauunlad ng ating bayan, sigurado, babagsak, lalong-lalo na ang ekonomiya. Na ini-enjoy noon ng mga kabataan at lalong-lalo na yung mga matatanda. Sa ngayon, problema na ngayon ang yung mga sinasabi, what we are calling now the look at the mountains now. What happened? What's happening now? Nasusunog, walang nagtatanim ng mga kahoy para sa susunod na generation. So, I think pag hindi nagawa ng paraan, lalong naghihirap ang susunod na generation.
My last question, what advice would you give the youth today about creating a better future?
For me, I think the youth or the teenagers ay mas kailangan nila ang matinding o mas sinasabi na responsibilidad. Dahil kung mga kabataan sa ngayon ay hindi nila ginagawa ang kanilang responsibilidad, walang mangyayari. Dahil kayo mga kabataan ang haligi ng bayan. Kung ang kabataan ay nagtutulungan, magiging maganda ang buhay ng bawat isa. Lalong-lalo na yung mga matatanda na hindi na nila kayang gumabay sa mga kabataan. So, the most important thing is youth must be responsible for every work they are doing. That's all, and thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Responses reflects a deep concern for the future of the economy and environment in the hands of the youth. Especially, they think that the current generation of young people is not fulfilling their responsibilities, unlike previous generation that contributed for the better of the nation. This concern becomes a reminder to the youth to be responsible and do something, because nowadays, the economy is already falling apart and the environment is cluttered with dirt. If no actions will be done, nothing will change or it will get worse. With this concern, we must take care of the now so it will be enjoyed soon. By simply doing proper trash disposal, cleaning and up public mess, taking care of trees and greens, and by think wisely who to elect in the government, as they are in control of the economics. The youth should act now before it's too late. as this doing can make a change for the better of the future.